Welcome back to Demolition Worker. Today we face a massive engineering challenge by dismantling the famous magic carpet of Celebrity Beyond. This magnificent floating platform weighs hundreds of tons. Removing it from the side of the cruise ship requires incredible engineering precision. The magic carpet is a marvel of modern maritime architecture. However, taking it down presents a monumental puzzle involving extreme gravity. Hanging off the starboard side, this bright orange structure served as a luxurious floating bar and tender embarkation area previously. Our mission today is to safely detach this colossal structure. We must execute every single step with absolute millimeter precision continuously. Before any cutting begins, our expert engineering team must carefully analyze the structural integrity of the entire ship and platform. Gravity is our biggest enemy in this operation. A single miscalculation could cause the massive platform to collapse into the ocean. We start by deploying a highly specialized temporary support system. This framework will hold the immense weight during the cutting process. Massive steel beams are carefully hoisted into position. Our skilled workers secure these essential supports directly beneath the heavy floating platform. Every connection point undergoes rigorous testing and inspection. We cannot afford even the slightest structural weakness during this critical demolition phase. The temporary scaffolding creates a safe working environment for our crew. They will soon begin the dangerous task of torch cutting. Industrial torches are prepared for the intense heat required. Cutting through thick marine steel demands specialized equipment and highly trained operators. Sparks begin to fly as the first cuts are made. The heavy steel groans under the immense pressure of the operation. Our workers wear heavy protective gear against the extreme heat. They meticulously follow the precise cutting lines mapped by our engineers. The connection points between the magic carpet and the hull are incredibly strong. They were designed to withstand severe ocean storms. Slowly but surely, the cutting torches slice through the thick metal. The temporary support system takes on more of the load. We use advanced laser measurement tools to monitor any shifting. Even a millimeter of unexpected movement triggers an immediate safety halt. The tension in the air is absolutely palpable right now. Everyone knows how dangerous this specific phase of the demolition is. A gigantic crawler crane arrives at the busy shipyard dock. This mechanical beast is essential for the final liftoff today. The crane boasts a lifting capacity of over 1,000 tons. It is perfectly suited for handling the massive magic carpet. Rigging the platform to the crane requires extreme precision. Heavy steel cables are carefully attached to designated lifting points on top. Our rigging specialists double-check every single shackle and hook. The safety of the entire crew depends on these vital connections. The crane operator slowly increases the tension on the cables. We must perfectly balance the load before the final cuts happen. Communication between the crane operator and the ground crew is critical. They use specialized radio channels to coordinate every subtle movement. The cutting team reaches the final structural connection points now. Only a few inches of thick marine steel remain attached here. We pause the operation for one last comprehensive safety check. The temporary supports are holding steady under the immense downward pressure. The final cuts are executed with extreme caution and care. Sparks cascade down like a brilliant metallic waterfall into the water. The magic carpet is finally completely severed from the ship. The massive crawler crane now bears the entire weight of it. A loud metallic groan echoes across the busy shipyard dock. The platform slowly separates from the side of the cruise ship. This is a moment of pure triumph for our team. The complex gravity puzzle has been successfully solved through brilliant engineering. The crane operator carefully maneuvers the suspended platform away. It looks like a giant orange toy hanging in the clear sky. We watch in absolute awe as the structure glides overhead. Hundreds of tons of steel are moving with incredible, graceful precision. The sheer scale of this demolition project is truly staggering. It requires a perfect symphony of heavy machinery and human skill. Slowly, the crane lowers the magic carpet toward the ground. The target landing zone has been carefully prepared with support blocks. Ground crews guide the massive structure into its final position. They use long tag lines to control any unexpected swinging motions. The platform touches down gently on the heavy wooden blocks. The tension in the lifting cables finally begins to slacken completely. Our team breathes a massive sigh of collective relief. Now, the most dangerous phase of this Demolition project is finally over. We successfully dismantled the iconic magic carpet without any incidents. This proves the incredible expertise of our dedicated marine demolition crew. Now, the real work of breaking down the platform begins. We will recycle thousands of tons of high-quality marine steel. Hydraulic shears and massive excavators move into the work zone. They will tear apart the bright orange structure piece by piece. The interior of the magic carpet is completely stripped bare. Luxurious furnishings and expensive bar equipment were removed weeks ago safely. We focus strictly on the heavy structural steel components today. The recycling process is highly efficient and environmentally friendly for everyone. Large chunks of metal are loaded into waiting dump trucks. They will be transported to a specialized recycling facility very soon. The Celebrity Beyond looks completely different without its signature feature. The starboard side is now just a flat wall of steel. Our welding teams begin patching the holes in the hull. They must restore the structural integrity of a massive cruise ship. New steel plates are carefully welded over the old connection points. The ship will soon be ready for its next grand adventure. Looking back at the footage of the heavy crane lift, it remains one of our most spectacular technical achievements on camera. The millimeter precision required for that maneuver was absolutely incredible. Our engineers truly outdid themselves on this specific marine demolition project. Every single calculation proved to be completely accurate and reliable. The temporary support system performed exactly as we had originally designed. Marine demolition is a highly specialized and incredibly dangerous field. It demands constant vigilance, rigorous training, and profound respect for gravity. We spent months planning this precise operation in great detail. Seeing it executed flawlessly brings immense satisfaction to our entire team. The magic carpet was once a symbol of maritime luxury. Now it is just another pile of scrap metal awaiting recycling. This transformation is the brutal reality of the demolition industry. We break down the old to make way for the new. Our crew members are the true heroes of this story. They work tirelessly in dangerous conditions to complete the job safely. From the brilliant engineers to the skilled torch operators today, everyone played a vital role in this massive and complex undertaking. We've learned valuable lessons during this unique ship dismantling project. These insights will help us tackle even bigger challenges next time. The crawler crane is carefully disassembled and prepared for transport. Its massive job here at the busy shipyard is finally complete. The temporary support structures are also carefully taken down now. The dock is slowly returning to its normal, busy daily operations. We conduct a thorough final inspection of the entire worksite. Safety always remains our top priority, even after the job finishes. All debris and scrap metal have been completely cleared away. The area is spotless, reflecting our commitment to professional demolition standards. The project manager signs off on the final completion documents. The magic carpet demolition is officially recorded in our company history. We gather the entire crew for a well-deserved celebration. Their hard work and dedication made this incredible engineering feat possible. Sharing these behind-the-scenes moments with you is fantastic. We love showcasing the hidden world of extreme heavy marine demolition. The complexity of modern cruise ships makes our job fascinating every vessel presents a completely unique set of structural engineering challenges. The Celebrity Beyond project pushed our technical capabilities even further. We proved that no structure is too difficult for our team. As the sun sets over the busy industrial shipyard dock, we reflect on a truly successful and safe day of work. The massive steel hull of the cruise ship glows beautifully. It stands as a testament to incredible human engineering and design. Tomorrow, we will move on to another challenging demolition site. There is always another massive structure waiting to be taken down. We continuously invest in the latest demolition technology and equipment. This ensures we can handle the most demanding projects with ease. Our crawler crane is one of the largest available globally. It gives us a massive advantage in heavy lifting demolition operations. The precision of our cutting tools is also absolutely unmatched. We can slice through thick marine steel like a hot knife. Safety protocols are constantly reviewed and updated by our experts. We never compromise on protecting the lives of our dedicated workers. Environmental sustainability is a core value of our modern company. We recycle over 90% of the materials from every project. The steel from the magic carpet will be melted down. It might eventually become part of a brand new cruise ship. This incredible cycle of construction and demolition is truly fascinating. It drives the continuous evolution of the global maritime transport industry. We are incredibly proud to play a part in it. Our work ensures that old vessels are safely and responsibly retired. The footage of the magic carpet lift has gone viral. Millions of people have watched our incredible engineering achievement online recently. It is amazing to see so much public interest today. People are truly fascinated by the sheer scale of our operations. We hope our videos inspire the next generation of engineers. The world needs more brilliant minds to solve complex structural puzzles. Demolition is not just about mindless destruction and breaking things. It requires careful planning, precise calculations, and deep structural engineering knowledge. Every cut must be carefully considered before it is made. Every lift must be perfectly balanced to prevent a catastrophic disaster. The margin for error in our line of work is absolute zero. A single mistake can have devastating consequences for everyone. That is why we train our crew so rigorously today. They must be prepared to handle any unexpected situation with confidence. The successful removal of the magic carpet proves their skill. They executed a highly complex operation with absolute perfection and grace. We will continue to push the boundaries of marine demolition. There are always new techniques to learn and new technologies available. Our goal is to be the best in the business. We strive for excellence in every single project we undertake globally. The Celebrity Beyond project will always hold a special place. It was a defining moment for our entire marine demolition company. We captured some truly breathtaking cinematic shots during the process. The visual impact of the massive crane lift is simply unforgettable. Watching hundreds of tons of steel float through the air, it is a sight that never gets old for our crew. We carefully document every step of our major demolition projects. This creates a valuable historical record for the entire maritime industry. It also allows us to share our incredible journey here. We want you to experience the thrill of extreme heavy demolition. Thank you for joining us on this amazing engineering adventure. Your continued support makes these incredible documentary video projects entirely possible. We have many more exciting demolition projects lined up soon. You will not want to miss what we are taking down. Make sure you stay tuned for our next thrilling episode. We will be tackling an even bigger and more complex structure. The world of extreme demolition is always changing and evolving. We are right at the forefront of this incredibly dynamic industry. We promise to keep bringing you the most spectacular footage. Our team is dedicated to capturing every single thrilling demolition moment. Thank you for watching this incredible episode of Demolition Worker. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing extreme demolition content.